Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. I'm trying to get my shadow out of the way so you can see my painting. Recently in my course with the Mila Art Institute, we had to do production week, which meant you had to do 8 paintings in a week. So one of them, of course, I got really excited about this one, this King Tut. I've been wanting to paint him for a long time, and I'm pretty happy with how he came out. I feel like I really kind of got the gold in the features. This was a gold statue of his, and I really like how it worked out. It worked out actually pretty nice. And then, of course, I've got my little girl here that I finished a little bit earlier. I really like how she came out as well. So yeah, the paintings that I did for the week were kind of interesting. Here's an abstract that I did. I like how that came out as well. I was looking at the 7 elements of art and they seem to be there. And then I wanted to show you the 4 little paintings I did in a day because I wanted to do like, not a triptych because a triptych is 3, this is a quadruptych. So it's a little quadruptych I did of little African animals, and I really like how they came out. Here's my cute lion who's adorable, and my giraffe, mama and baby, and then a zebra. And who knew how many colors you could put in a zebra? It's not just black and white. And then, of course, I think this is my favorite, the mama elephant and the baby. And of course, there's my dragon that I finished a few days ago. This guy took me like 4 days to do. 4 days with a teeny tiny skinny brush. A lot of fun though. I really love how he came out. He's just really spectacular. And this crazy pineapple is a really funny one because I painted this pineapple. I hated its guts. I hated it so bad. And I went, you know what, there's only one thing that's gonna save this pineapple, and that's bling. So I got some ribbon, you know, from the Piazza Cina, and I cut it all up into little pieces and I sort of collaged it onto this pineapple, and now I really like it. So there's that one, and then of course I did this Colosseum. I did it the other night. It was way more complicated and I got mad at it, so I just painted gold over it and put a beautiful sun. And it's the Colosseum in Rome from the side. So there you go, guys. Anyway, like I said, these things are going to be available very soon in G-clay prints in various different sizes, and on coffee cups and on whatever other things I think might be fun and exciting. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks, guys.